Hello everyone, this is Anna Mason with PI Midwest. I'm just doing a quick video today to show you some of the great updates and improvements that they've made to the team discovery platform. So I'm going to fly through the software. This is a really short video. So one of the first updates that they've made is if you click on this icon down here, you can show the factor combinations of each quadrant, which gives you a little bit more insight as to how each person was plotted in this graph. And then if you click on each quadrant, you can see that there used to be 3 bullet points explaining what innovation and agility is, for example, and then they've added bullet points on communication, decision making, and resolving conflict. Those are all suggestions that you have made, that people have made, that they wanted, and they are continually making improvements. Another big change is that they've combined all the team building activities that are housed in these boxes that you can expand and collapse, and they've put them in one downloadable workbook. Download all the team activities at once, and it gives you opportunities to read through them and even take notes. So that's kind of nice and a little bit easier to read. When you go to the team type, there's a little bit of a difference here. This team is an exploring team. It will tell you about it like it did before. It adds a statistic of the percentage of teams that are exploring teams. You can then also go to the exploring team page, which really is some of the same information that you get on the website. There is the opportunity to download some graphics if you're interested in that, team poster, that sort of thing. And then it talks about how to take action, which is in the software, but you can then also learn about other team types. It continues to tell you strengths and blind spots like it did before, with some added statistics about those strengths and blind spots. When you move on to takeaways, this is very similar to what it was before. It gives you recommendations on communication, conflict resolution, and teamwork. And then this is also very similar. You can choose leadership team versus standard team for your objectives when you're strategizing, when you're thinking about what does this team want to focus on. It does have a confidence and concerns activity. Again, that's in the downloadable team activity worksheet. It then typifies your strategy, which if you open that up, it'll talk about what a balancing strategy is or whatever strategy your team is, and it will give you a percentage of teams that pursue that strategy. Strengths and blind spots like it did before. And then this is a little different here in the takeaways. They previously gave recommendations to improve your team work style, but now they give you some recommendations to build culture and reach your goals, which is nice. It does have an action plan worksheet that you can download and pass out to your team. And this is this is something people can actually write on. So keep your comments coming about what you'd like to see in team discovery, because PI is working actively to make improvements and to add features. And if there's any other questions you have about team discovery, please reach out.